Choosing Lorraine Weber as my real estate agent was probably one of the smartest things I ever did in my life. One of the best decisions I ever made. When it was time for me to sell my dad's house, I spoke to several real estate agents. And Lorraine was the only one that went to work on my sale immediately before I even told her I had chosen her as my real estate agent. She started looking things up and doing research and calling me and telling me what she had found out. Her service was impeccable. She was always available for me for any question that I had. And most importantly, she got me an incredible price on the house. When she told me what she got on the house, I couldn't believe it. So she really knows what she's doing. She knows the market, and her service is very personal. It's almost like having a friend help you sell your house.